How I learned English fast. My full journey. This changed my life forever. Chapter 1. The Beginning. A Silent World. I was born in a place where English was not spoken. For years, I thought English was only for rich people or people who lived in America or the UK. I thought, how can I ever learn this strange language? I didn't have teachers. I didn't go to an English school. I didn't even have books. All I had was a dream. That dream was simple. I wanted to speak English. I wanted to understand movies. I wanted to read books. I wanted to travel one day and speak with confidence. But when I started, I couldn't say even a full sentence. I was silent, but silence can be powerful, because inside silence I began to listen. Chapter 2. The first step. Vocabulary is the foundation. I didn't start with grammar books. I didn't try to sound smart. I just needed the basics. So I made a list. Eat, sleep, water, go, good, bad, happy, tired. These were not just words. These were tools. I carried a notebook and wrote every new word I heard. I didn't memorize lists. I used them in my life. Every day, 5 new words. That's it. In 1 month. 150 words. In 1 year. Over 1,800 words. It adds up fast. Chapter 3. My ears became my teacher. Listening is how babies learn languages. So I became a baby. Again, an English baby. I listened to English songs with subtitles, English movies with simple vocabulary, English podcasts for beginners, English YouTubers who spoke slowly. At first, it was noise, confusing, but over time, I started to understand the rhythm, the sounds, the common words. I stopped translating in my head. My brain began to connect English with meaning directly. That's when the real magic started. Chapter 4. Speaking without fear, even to myself. Speaking is scary. What if I make mistakes? What if people laugh? But I realized no one was listening. I was alone. So I started talking to myself. In the mirror, I am learning English. I want to get better. I believe in myself. In the shower, today I will read 10 new words. Tomorrow I will watch 1 video. In the shower, today I will read 10 new words. Tomorrow I will watch 1 video. On the street, in my mind, in my heart, I spoke English. I wasn't waiting for someone to talk to. I created my own classroom. Chapter 5. Reading changed everything. Books became my secret weapon, but not big novels, not at first. I started with children's storybooks, simple English articles, easy readers. Every word I didn't know, I searched it. I didn't memorize the meaning. I looked at examples. I wrote sentences. One day, I picked up a short story and understood everything. That moment gave me confidence. Later, I moved to English blogs, short novels, real books, and eventually, I started writing my own short stories in English. Chapter 6. I turned my phone into a classroom. My phone was no longer for entertainment, it became my learning tool. I changed phone language, English, YouTube, only English channels, Instagram, English motivational quotes, Google searches, only in English. Every app, every notification, every message became a lesson. Chapter 7. The power of 15 minutes a day. I didn't study for hours. I didn't go to courses. I studied every day for 15 to 30 minutes. Consistency beats intensity. Even if I was tired or busy, I said, only 15 minutes today. Sometimes I did 30, sometimes 1 hour, but I never skipped a day. This habit created momentum. I didn't wait for motivation. I became disciplined. Chapter 8. When I started thinking in English. The biggest change wasn't vocabulary. It wasn't grammar. It was this. I began to think in English. How do you know you're fluent? When you stop translating. When you hear "how are you?" and your brain understands instantly without needing to think about it. This moment didn't happen overnight, but it came quietly, naturally, and it changed me forever. Chapter 9. My struggles and setbacks. There were days I felt stuck. I don't understand this video. I can't speak well. My accent is bad. I wanted to quit, but I remembered. Even native speakers make mistakes. Even babies take years to talk. So I allowed myself to fail, to forget, to be wrong, because I knew every mistake is part of learning. Chapter 10. The result: a new life. Today I'm not perfect, but I can speak English clearly, watch movies without subtitles, write stories and comments, think in English, help others learn, and most importantly, I believe in myself. Final message: if I can do it, so can you. You don't need money, you don't need school, you don't need to be smart. You just need a strong reason, a little time every day, the courage to begin. The best teacher is inside you. The best classroom is your mind. So start now, even with one word, and never stop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.